Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 4 of these wooden trays from Dollar Tree. I take Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue and glue all 4 of them together. Next, I'm taking these giant craft sticks and trimming them up so they're the length of the 2 trays next to each other, so it'll cover those holes on the trays. I cut them down with Fisker shears, sand them, and then add some hot glue to the trays and place the craft stick down. I do that on both ends, and then paint that entirely with Plaster chalk paint by Waverly. Next, I'm taking 2 of these pieces of plank wood from Hobby Lobby. They're 14 by 4.5. I paint them with barnwood acrylic paint by Folkart. And then place the set of trays on one of the pieces, get it lined up where I'm going to want to glue it down, and just mark that with a pencil. And then add some Gorilla Grip glue and hot glue in between those markings and set down the trays. I then do the same process on the other side with making the markings, adding the glue right to the trays, and setting those down. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.